Hey guys, I'm Kaylee Pierce and I'm with the Southern Appalachian Highland Conservancy, and today we are at Hampton Creek Cove State Natural Area and we're going to do a hike on the Overmountain Victory Trail. So follow me. At Hampton Creek Cove there is no shortage of activities. Following the Overmountain Victory Trail, we will traverse through rich farmland, old homesteads, crystal clear streams, and retrace history, following in the footsteps of Revolutionary War heroes. This trail is a National Historic Trail that begins at the entrance of the property and ascends into Cherokee National Forest and bisects the Appalachian Trail. This state natural area is the epitome of where conservation meets our cultural heritage. Along the way, make sure to stop and marvel at the active grazing program that keeps these fields open. The cows aren't the only ones allowed to enjoy the views. The open areas bordered by a deep cove forest makes for amazing birding. Ornithologists flock from all over the country to marvel here at neotropical songbirds, especially the golden-winged warbler. Be sure to notice the sparkling clean water seeping from every drainage in the valley. It all funnels into Hampton Creek, which boasts some of the strongest native brook trout populations in the state of Tennessee. And if you dare, slip your toes into the chilly water and cool off on a hot summer day. As we hike higher into the 694-acre preserve, we eventually cross into Cherokee National Forest and step foot on the Appalachian Trail. If you really like hiking, the AT runs continuously from Georgia to Maine. It is over 2,000 miles long. Here at the trail juncture, you will find a commemorative plaque that remembers the journey of the Overmountain Men, a patriot militia during the Revolutionary War that hiked over 330 miles to fight a decisive battle for the independence in Kings Mountain, South Carolina. As you return to your car, remember you hike in their very footsteps because of the sacrifices they made. Hampton Creek Cove is jointly managed by the Southern Appalachian Highlands Conservancy and the state of Tennessee. If you'd like to learn more, check out our website at appalachian.org. And thank you for joining me today on this beautiful property.